Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make square outline in Photoshop. Let's get started. First of all, create a new layer. Select the shape tool. Right click on your mouse. Select a rectangle. First of all, I use fill. Secondly, not use fill. First of all, use fill and stroke color. Okay, then hold shift, click and drag it. Another way to again create a new layer. Select rectangle tool without fill, stroke size, hold shift, click and drag it. Okay, then click effects and see this stroke outline or outer glow. Click outer glow color. Size. You can use or outline another inner glow, outer glow, drop shadow. See this glow drop shadow or any color. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.